Hey everyone, welcome back to another exciting dev update. We're going to dive on in. So in 5.4.0, we have the new concept called storm damage. The basic idea is the edge of the storm will do damage to player-built structures in the final phases of the game. Less than 10% of our matches are affected by this, or make it that long, and so we're really trying to tactically adjust the final stages to provide a little more dynamic gameplay. We really look forward to your feedback on this feature, and we're excited to see how it plays out. In 5.4.0, we'll be vaulting the revolver. This is part of an initiative to keep the item pool feeling fresh and dynamic. In the past, you've seen that we've brought back the guided missile, which was vaulted for a period of time. So an item that is vaulted doesn't necessarily mean that it's gone forever. Using this as an initiative to keep the item pool fresh, exciting, dynamic, and we'll be targeting future updates, potentially Season 6, as an opportunity to vault more items. In addition, in 5.4.0, we'll be adding a new mobility item, so we look forward to creative expression with that. We're also going to be updating some various balance parameters, such as item rarity. Remote explosive rarity is going to increase from rare to epic to match its effectiveness. And we're also going to be making some changes to item stack sizes in their drop rates. For example, the Boogie Bomb will now be dropping in a stack size of 2, whereas it was 1 previously. And one of our bigger changes, shields will be adjusted from a maximum stack size of 2 to a maximum stack size of 3. All right, everyone, thanks for tuning in. From everyone here at Epic, we'll see you next time.
Hey guys, No here, welcome back. So today we're going to be playing some Fortnite Battle Royale, and so today there's going to be like this cool update thing. Well, it's not really cool because it's kind of sad, because it's basically they're just going to be like removing the revolver in the next update, so I want to get some gameplay with the revolver. Yeah, also I found out how to put my screen and audio at the same time. Which is pretty sick. So yeah, so you guys could hear the game audio and stuff. So let's land Lazy Links, just try to get a dub. Or at least a headshot or something. A few like revolver kills. Oh, that's why my phone didn't turn off in class. Okay, I forgot to hit turn off. So, let's try to find some people. Oh, so that's a drum gun. That is a revolver, but no, it's a drum gun. I guess I have to deal with it. So I'll look over the patch notes sometime during this video. Or like, I'll put them on the screen now. Or something. I seriously have no idea. I don't know how I did. I have no idea how I'm going to do this, but the patch notes for the next update will be on the screen sometime during this video. Oh, it's a defaulty boy. Ah. Oh, freaking shoot, Billy. What's up with all these defaults? Like, I genuinely don't understand. There's like so many defaults now. Which is like low-key so annoying. Cause like, I actually wanna play the game, but no. Against decent players. Is like that too much to ask? Like, are you joking, boy? Yeah, I don't understand, but I don't know. So, future me, wait, if you guys are watching this part, I probably added me looking over the patch notes and reacting to this guy's video, already. I probably already did that. But I don't know. I might have. I don't know. This part might be cut out if I did. I might just be lazy. I don't know. Oh, this is like my first game on today, so excuse me if I'm trash, but if everyone in this game is a default, then yeah, probably. Then I might win. Freaking modded default lobby, boys. Minigun's OP now. Okay, that has to be a default. Oh my god, dude. No, I'm freaking trash. What HP are you at? And look, about to die to the storm. 6 HP. Okay, so, that was the gameplay for today, I guess. And, you should see the patch notes sometime soon. So, yeah. Bye.